We guide you through how to attach a file to an email in Outlook Desktop. So the first thing you need to do is to open Outlook on your computer and click New Email in the top left corner to create a new message. Then enter the recipient's email address, subject, and any message you want to include. Next, look at the toolbar above the email body and click on the Attach File button, which usually appears as a paper icon. A drop-down will appear showing recent files. But if your file isn't there, click Browse this PC to open your File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Click the file once to select it, then press Insert to attach it to your email. You'll see the file name appear below the subject line, confirming it's successfully attached. If you want to attach multiple files, simply repeat the same steps or hold the CTRL key while selecting multiple files before clicking Insert. Before sending, double-check that the correct file is attached and that the file size is within limits, since large files may not send properly. Once everything looks good, click Send and your email will be delivered.